Hello everyone! So for today's video, I am gonna be doing a review video. I posted this TikTok and it had a lot of likes and a lot of views. So I thought I'd share it here on YouTube as well. If you don't follow me on TikTok yet, I will leave a video somewhere. Make sure to follow me because I do post a lot of reviews, unboxings there. But yeah, let's get into this video. Unfortunately, I don't have the box anymore. I threw it away, but I think the video has it. So it is a heart-shaped ring light and it has all these rainbow colors. I've been wanting a heart-shaped ring light for a long time, and when I found this on Best Buy and it was on sale for only $15, I had to get it. So it is the Sunpak 10-inch heart-shaped rainbow vlogging kit. Multicolor light is perfect for all types of setups. Perfect for TikToks, perfect if you want to stream, perfect if you want to make videos or just take pictures. So it's just the perfect kawaii ring light because it's heart-shaped. Oh my gosh. So it has a phone stand which you can detach, and I'm not gonna do that because here's the only thing that I don't like about it. This is too tall, so you have to like maneuver it to get it through. When you put this on, when you put this thing on, it doesn't have enough space, and this one does not bend that easily, which is good if you're already taking the video. You don't want it to move that much. It was just hard to put it on, to assemble this part. It is a USB, so you can connect it anywhere, travel, go to places, even if they don't have the same plug as the US or anywhere you live. This is still good. I got it for $15 on sale, but it's originally $30. Still a good value for a really cute ring light, and it's a name brand. It doesn't have the plug, so I'm gonna use my iPhone charger plug. It also comes with a remote to change the colors and settings. It also comes with a Bluetooth, so if you're just by yourself, you're taking the pictures by yourself. It does have an iOS or an Android. It comes with a stand. Of course it has to have a stand. Where else will you put it? Uh-oh. Did I just break it? Nah. So this stand, it looks like it can fit my camera as well because it has this top. Multi-purpose, you know, we love that. It's not that tall, so you can only put it on your desk. So I'm gonna be connecting this and I'll be right back showing you all the colors and all the settings. So let's first turn this on. I'm gonna turn off my ring light. There it is. That is how it looks like when you first turn it on. So this one is white, yellow, and off-white. I guess I have to put it like this. It is really bright. Like you can't even see my face anymore because of how bright it is. So let me put it to 15. That's 30. 45, 60, and then goes to 100. Oh my gosh, it is so blinding. Okay, let's put it to 30. This is 30, you guys, and it's very bright. So this one is white, and then we have here yellow light, and then we have off-white, and then let's put it to the rainbow colors. There's this mode where it changes to different colors: turquoise, green, yellow, red, and pink. It doesn't really show, but it only has a slight tint to it, but that is great if you're trying to like color correct it. So you just pick one of the colors here. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys in finding the perfect heart ring light. Put it right in front of your face, you'll have those heart eyes, and that's one of the things I wanted, a heart-shaped ring light, and now I can do it with this one. I will leave a link down in the description below if you decide to get this. Even for $30, it's still very affordable. Or if you want to wait a little bit longer, they do have it on sale occasionally. So yeah, that ends my video, and I hope you guys liked and subscribed if you want more content like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.